is Pat Lucey. I am HER's counterpart in Ireland. I'm the President of the Ireland Chapter, and I'm the CEO of Aspira. So I'm delighted to welcome, it's unusual, I'm now welcoming the PMI to our host location. Usually I'm the one being welcomed. So thank you very much for coming here. Thanks to Peter for working with the chapter here in the Netherlands to organise. So I'm just back from the Global Congress in Philadelphia 2 weeks ago. So I wanted to share, just like for 2 minutes, some of the news there. Anybody else here at that conference 2 weeks ago, the Global Congress? No? Okay, so I can basically tell you anything? Yeah. Okay, so it was the 50th anniversary of the PMI in early October this year, right? 1969, it was founded in Philadelphia, and one of the original founders, Jim Snyder, was there at the event. And the Netherlands chapter and the Ireland chapter both represented here. The big change that happened, which was symbolic but very representative, was the change in branding. Anybody seen the new branding, the new logo?
Yes.
You know what it means?
No. No.
Yes, you can tell this. Anybody seen the new branding?
Yes.
You know what it means?
No.
Okay. Heard you're not allowed to win now any of these prizes in the test. So this is the new branding. Oh. Okay. So on the Thursday and Friday we were the old branding, and on Saturday morning we arrived in and poof, all the new branding. And my immediate reaction was, have I gone to the wrong place? What's going on? This doesn't look. This looks more like Toys R Us than PMI. But then I warmed up to the brand. So what's people's reaction here? What do you think of it?
Colourful.
Colourful.
WTF.
Okay, so with such overwhelming support for the new brand, we'll move on. So Peter, you have some boxes of chocolates, right? So each of the symbols means something. So I'm going to ask you to tell me what each symbol means. And if you get it right, I'll give you one of these little boxes of chocolates. But limited to one per person, unless I'm the only one, and then I keep all four. So who can tell me what the P means in the new logo? What the symbol means?
Project.
Project. Congratulations. There you go, there's your prize. Yeah. So we'll now let you talk for 5 minutes about why the P is in. It's okay. So again, the whole emphasis is we're now in the project economy. We're in the gig economy. Things have changed, and projects are more relevant than ever into how the world is delivering its projects. Okay, who knows what this symbol means?
Management.
Good guess. Not quite it though.
Collaboration.
Who said collaboration?
Yeah, but I know. I knew.
Well, the fact that you know doesn't discount you. We're still going to give you the. I heard team and connection, very good. So the whole idea that projects, well done. Now, you're free to open them and share them. You don't have to eat them all by yourself.
You didn't know them in the first place. So.
The whole idea that successful projects require collaboration. And think back to 50 years, from 50 years ago to now, and the number of globally distributed projects, and the fact we have all to work together. Next one, who knows what? You're not allowed to speak now.
No, I keep
Who knows what this means?
Integration.
Institute.
Engineering.
I heard information, institute,
Integration.
integration. Nope to all of them.
Dynamic. Ireland.
Inspiration. And somebody gag him, please. Nope.
Engineering.
Dynamic? No. Dynamic?
Dynamic. Innovation. Nope.
It's not
I'm going to ring home and say I'm going to bring some chocolates home. Yeah. Anybody? Any last guesses?
No. Informal.
So the sneaky thing is it doesn't begin with I at all. It stands for determination. Now this is the one I had the most problem with. How does that mean determination? The best I could come up with was it was originally a square, and despite having lumps knocked out of it, it's still standing up. Okay? That's not the official PMI thing, but that's how I can do it.
Is it a determination?
And again, it's relevant. Projects are tough. Projects are difficult. You've got to hang in there and be resilient in order to deliver. The last one. What does this mean?
Friesland.
Okay, can I do CCTV footage? Was there a Googling going on before there? So change, Peter, will you hand over there, please?
I don't know if you've taken that.
Check that.
Really?
Change.
Just like that.
So this is all about projects being about delivering change. So that's what the new logo is about, those four things. We're in the project economy, we've got to collaborate together, we're determined to bring about change. So I think once I understood what it meant, I liked it. Okay. How are you feeling about it now?